Hello, and you are very welcome to this, our fourth video in our series on banking for a junior cycle business based on learning outcome 1.8 of the specification. And in this video today, we are going to learn what the difference between a debit card and a credit card is. So, firstly, before we get started, do you know what the difference between a debit card and credit card is? Do you have any idea what one might be over the other? Pause the video now and jot down your ideas. Let's see if you're right then when you're finished. So when you're ready, pause the video, take your ideas down even, and then press play to continue on with the video. So, let's see if you're right or not. A debit card then. Well, we did touch on a debit card in the previous videos in this series. A debit card, well, it's a plastic payment card that can be used instead of cash when making purchases. As we discussed before, you can use it either using a chip and pin, so that's when you put it in the machine where you've got the little chip on the card and then you enter in your PIN number. Does anyone remember what PIN stands for? Personal identification number is what PIN stands for. So, and you enter it in and the money comes out of your account and goes to the account of the person you're buying or the business you're buying the goods from. The money comes directly from the cardholder's bank account. You must have the amount you want to spend in your account to buy the item. So let's say, for example, I want to buy myself a new phone for €100, but and I have only got €50 on my account, then I'm not going to be able to buy it using my card. However, if I have €150 on my account and the phone costs €100, then yes, I will be able to use my card to buy the phone. So that's a debit card, folks. So you can't borrow money on the debit card. You can only use it for the money you have in your account. And that's the key bit. You can only use to spend what is in your account. So you're not going into debt. You're not borrowing money. It's just literally transferring the money straight from your account to someone else. A credit card, however, is different. The similarity is that it's also a plastic payment card that can be used instead of cash when making purchases. That bullet point is the exact same, but the difference is that it allows the cardholder to buy goods on credit. In other words, they're buying the goods now, but they don't have to pay for them for later. So it is a form of borrowing. You must pay back the bill to the credit card company at the end of the month or risk paying high interest charges. Now we look at interest in the saving and borrowing chapter, but interest is a percentage on the amount that you are after borrowing. And if you don't pay it back in time, it can be very, very high, the interest. So folks, we've looked at the main difference between a debit card and a credit card there now, so you should now know what each of them are and what the difference between the two of them are. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you didn't enjoy this video, give it a like. And of course, I'm going to ask, you know what I'm going to say, go on ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm just going to keep on asking, so you may as well do it. Thanks very much for watching, folks. See you in the next video. Bye!